Namah Shivaya. My name is Shalini. I'm doing Kailash Pilgrim for the last 20 years from now. I brought about 1,000 plus yatris to Kailash. Please come with me next year, 2026. As I'm emphasizing 2026. Why? Because it is a very auspicious year for the, it is called the Mahakumbh of Kailash Mansarovar 2026. Come with me next year with me. My number is +61 424 3888 31. Namaste.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Every Kailash journey starts with the blessing of Lord Pashupatinath temple. From here, we get his blessings from Mahadev and then we leave for Kailash Yatra.
So the Yatra organization so far is really informative, and she's always available to answer all your questions. You reach out to her in the group, privately, one-on-one, call her anytime. I feel like she's working 24/7. 1 a.m. I see her, she's responding to the conversation, the questions.
Why do you go to Pashupatinath temple before you go to Kailash Mansarovar Yatra? This is actually a preparation for the journey to Lord Shiva's abode. It is considered the starting point of the journey, allowing pilgrims to seek blessing for a safe and a successful yatra. Pilgrims believe that to a successful, complete, challenging journey to Kailash, they must first obtain permission and blessings from Lord Shiva at Pashupatinath temple, which is considered his earthly home.
Food is great, excellent. They are catering for no onion, no garlic for sattvic food, which was my requirement with so much variety and so much taste and flavor. I'm really excited.
Cross the border into Tibet. The journey truly begins. The mountain grows taller, the air becomes thinner, and with every miles, we feel that we are leaving behind the world and moving closer to the home of Shiva.
It looks very yummy. I can eat this every day, honestly.
We are at the level of 5,000 meters altitude, and just right in front is the Mount Everest base camp, and this is one of the highest monastery, Rongbuk Monastery.
Mount Everest base camp, and it's the highest post office at Mount Everest. I've sent postcard to my children, to my brother, and I'm very happy.
Here we spend time here in Saga to climatize. Kailash is not just about strength of the body, but it's a strength of devotion. It takes time to rest, hydrate, and prepare for the sacred parikrama.
Namo Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev.
This is Manasarovar, the holiest lake in the world. Even touching this water washes away the sins of lifetime. Taking a dip here with Kailash watching over us is one of the most sacred blessings a human can receive.
I felt a bit emotional after a long journey, years of waiting to see Mansarovar and have my touch of the water. When I touched the water, I don't know, I got strength. Where I got the strength, I don't know.
Govindaya Namah Swatato Hasto Pakshalya Rakchandam Nagnetebhyo Namo Namah Rajo Rachanam Tato Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
This is Yamadrok, the gate of Yama, the lot of death. It is believed that passing through the Yamadrok symbolizes leaving behind your past karma and entering the realm of liberation. This is where we truly begin our parikrama around Mount Kailash. We are in Yamadrok and Mahadev is shining so glorious.
Har Har Mahadev.
Here, we are in Tirupur, facing the mighty north face of Kailash. Look here, the mountain, pure white, shining like crystal, rising above everything. Many devotees say that even seeing Kailash is equal to moksha. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
चाहे तेरे सिवाय हो गया मैं शिवमय। चंद्र शोभित जटाएं कहते हैं उसे चंद्रशेखर जटाधराए। पल भर में जो दुख संकट है मिटाए, ऐसे नहीं कहते हैं उसे नीलकंठाए। डमरूधारी सृष्टि के हरता है जो, देवों के देव है जो, वह है महादेवाय।
This is Dolmala, the highest point of our parikrama, at over 18,000 feet. It is the most challenging part of the journey. Crossing Dolmala is like crossing from one life to another, leaving behind the old, stepping into the new. This is Gauri Kund, also called the Lake of Compassion. It is believed that Goddess Parvati performed penance here. Every yatri stops here to pray, to ask for the blessing of purity and devotion. We have completed the sacred parikrama of Mount Kailash. For me, every parikrama feels like being born again. The body may be tired, but the soul is overflowing with peace and strength.